Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We have got another really cool bag to show you today. So this is the Burberry, and it's the Burberry Horseferry Note shoulder bag. I think it just looks so cool. I love these leather trims with that contrast stitching on it, that white contrast stitching, as well as the big bold Burberry logo on it. It looks really cool. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got a lovely substantial kind of canvas shoulder strap there, and that is adjustable as well. And then we've got leather along that base, and we've got a flap closure with a magnetic kind of slot fasten, so you can see that just slots through there just like that. And then inside we've got one flap pocket just underneath that flap closure, and then we've got another flap pocket on the very inside of the bag as well. The condition of this one, we've called the exterior very good. You can see that it is in a beautiful condition, especially that leather. It's got hardly any marking to it at all, even this base. There's just a little mark just here. And again, you can barely see that even on the camera. But the reason we've called it very good is mostly just for the back here. You can see, perhaps just from where it's been stored, it's got that little bit of a bend and a bit of a crease in it. But as soon as you start using it, and you start putting all your bits in there, you won't even notice that. The hardware, again, we've called very good. And you can see how lovely and shiny that looks. There's just really like a few tiny hairline scratches on that silver hardware, so that's why we've called it very good again. And then the interior is excellent. There's no marks or anything like that for me to show you in there, especially that leather is in a really lovely condition, so that is why we've called the interior excellent. It comes with the Burberry dust bag, so a nice little green dust bag, and then we've also got this eBay card sleeve, and inside there we've got two eBay authenticity guarantee cards, and then we've also got a little Burberry product tag, and there's 3 tags in there. So we've got that big one, and then we've got another 2 little ones there as well. So if you would like to know the exact measurements for this Burberry, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact Burberry on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If it takes you directly to this bag, that's great, it means it's still available. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if it's one you had an eye out for, you can always let us know. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this, and we'll pop you on our request list. And that applies to any requests that you have in mind as well. Just let us know and we'll get you on there. So that's a request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website. But I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". Just get that strap nice and straight. So you can pop that on your shoulder like that, or nice and long enough to pop it as a crossbody as well. And as I said, it is adjustable, so we've got it on about the middle setting at the minute, so you can make it a little bit shorter or a little bit longer depending on what you prefer. And I just love this big bold logo on it. You can see it from a mile away. It just is really a standout kind of statement little bag. It's really cool. It's a nice simple shape as well. Very easy to access, very easy to use, and a nice size to fit all your essentials in as well without being too bulky. So a very cool little bag. Again, if you would like more details, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page while you're there as well. And while you're here, like this video and also subscribe to our channel. Hit that alert button if you're a bag lover like we are, and then you don't miss out on any beauties like this one that we have to show you. We've got new bags in all the time, so keep yourself updated, and we'll see you very soon with some more.